This is an anime fight scene. Watch the character's face. Same face, 3 angles, 3 shots. Watch the lip sync on this line.
Everything started feeling beautiful.
All of it was made by AI, every frame. No animator, no voice actor, no drawing tablet. And I made it this morning, in under an hour, by someone who genuinely cannot draw a circle. If you've tried making AI videos before, you know where I'm going. Faces change every shot. Backgrounds drift. Nothing feels like one story. Today, I'm walking you through the 7-step workflow that fixes all of it. Stick with me, because the whole thing falls apart if you skip step 3. Sora, Runway, Kling, Pika, they all make gorgeous single clips. The problem is the second clip. Hair changes color, outfit shifts, the face looks like a different person. That's the consistency wall, and it's why 99% of AI videos online are one-shot clips, not actual stories. Vidu has one feature the others don't: create reference. It locks character identity across every shot, every angle, every scene. Other tools generate clips. Every story starts with a character. I'm using Vidu's text-to-image tool, using the Nano Banana model. I drop in this prompt. Hit generate. 4 variations come back, and this one, clean expression, perfect outfit, that's our hero. But here's where most people mess up. They take this one image and build a whole video from it. That's where character drift starts. One image isn't enough. To lock him in, Vidu needs multiple angles, front, side, rear. So I run this prompt. Generate. Look at this. Side profile, rear 3/4, both holding the exact same character. Now Vidu actually understands who this person is. Which feeds into the next step, the one nobody talks about. This is the step most people skip, and it's the most important one. Get it right and everything after just works. I open Vidu's Create Reference tool, upload all 3 angles, name it Silver-Haired Swordsman, save, done. The reference sits in my library, locked. Every shot from here pulls from this profile. Quick aside, if this is useful, hit subscribe. New AI workflow every week. Win-win. With the reference locked, we can finally generate video. For multi-shot narrative, you have to use reference-to-video on Vidu Q3. Not text-to-video, not image-to-video. Reference-to-video, because that's the only mode that pulls from your locked profile. I attach the reference, feed in this prompt, generate. 3 shots roll back to back. Look at his face across all of them. Identical, same hair, same hori, even the way the light hits his eyes. No single clip tool can do this. But these shots are calm. For the big payoff, we need something more dynamic. For high-speed action with a specific keyframe, image-to-video is the right tool. I grab the sword draw frame, drop it in as my starting frame, then prompt the motion on top. Generate. Look at this. The strike, the dust, and watch the mouth. The lip sync actually matches. That's the payoff shot.
This ends now.
5 clips now. Individually, they're great, but individually, they're still just clips. I open Vidu's timeline editor, drag all 5 in, arrange in story order. Look what happens. Vidu auto-matches color tone and pacing across cuts, so they feel like one scene, not 5 generations glued together. This turns clips into a film, but it's still missing what makes anime a hit. Sound. Muted anime hits like nothing. Vidu Q3 has native audio baked in. Dialogue, SFX, music, all in one export. I layer a sword clash on the strike, low forest wind under the wide shots, and a tense string score under the dialogue. Listen to that. One last pass. Tighten the cuts, balance the audio, color grade for that warm anime tone, export. There it is, a finished cinematic anime short. Same character every shot, real dialogue, real sound, real story. Under an hour, one tool. Most AI tutorials show you one clip and call it a day. But one clip is not a story. Character consistency is the whole game, and that's why this workflow works. Vidu link is in the description. Go build something the version of you from a year ago wouldn't have believed was possible. If this was useful, smash like. The next video breaks down how to add custom AI music and voice acting that genuinely hits, because the visuals are down, but the audio layer is what makes people feel it. Click that one next. It's right here on screen. See you in the next one.